Right here with Astoria. People ask me, is the cloud safe? With a cloud, you have to remember that it's a computer that you're leasing from somebody else. So the cloud can be secure based upon the provider that you use, the provider you use to manage your cloud, and how you set up your cloud services. So while clouds do get hacked, it doesn't mean that all clouds get hacked. It just means that perhaps it was under poor management, or the provider themselves did not do the job that they were required to do when their cloud was set up. So it's very important when selecting a cloud that you work with a partner that helps you pick the cloud that matches your company's values for security and for the needs that you have for your budget. Just because clouds get hacked does not mean that your cloud has to be hacked. So what is a cloud? A cloud is somebody else's computer where you put your data and you pay them a lease agreement essentially for your cloud. So you need to start thinking of a cloud as not a mysterious thing in the sky, but rather you're renting a suite in an office complex. You rent a part of somebody's computer to use the resources of their very large computer so that you don't have the cost and the management of a large computer in your office or your building. Clouds can be an effective, cost-effective way of managing your business in a secure fashion. Advantages to cloud are just completely endless. Let's just not think about the cost savings of cloud, but also think of the business continuity, which is a big word. But consider, if you have a server on site, the resources and knowledge you must have to manage that server is more than the typical business owner has on staff or possesses in themselves. Using cloud allows you to efficiently and financially manage a large server without the cost of having it in-house. It also allows your managed service provider to give you a cost-effective solution for your IT, and you don't have to worry about keeping a machine online all day long, all night long. It will function for you with that continuity piece. Let's talk about the cloud a little bit more. Remember, the cloud is just somebody else's computer that you're leasing space on. You don't have to worry about the power, you don't have to worry about the internet connection, you don't have to worry about the staff that it takes to run a micro data center any longer. It is now up to your provider to manage that cloud for you. It's like having a commercial lease without all of the cost of owning the building. The building owner handles all of that and passes that on to you in the lease. The advantage is you don't have to own the whole building, you just have to pay for your piece of the building. So it makes your cloud costs way less with using cloud. But the other advantage is when you want to, you can expand and use more space and more resources. And then when you're done with that, you can decrease. And a lot of cloud providers will do that without any type of agreement from you, so that you're able to use it for a month or two and then go back down to a lesser use. This is a great advantage to using the cloud. As long as it's set up in a secure fashion, you're going to be in a much better place financially with the cloud.